You got to keep everything like composed, bro. Keep everything composed till you get over, till you get fun, till you get like a consistent, decent amount of chaos in a row. But to keep yourself composed, you can't over leverage. Once you over leverage, you're gonna get emotional while trading. So you know what I mean? Like you got to keep everything composed. All right, all right. So I mean, I sent you a Zoom if you want to join that. Yeah, I know you're driving right now, but I'm not sure if you like stop driving. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna it's like 2 minutes to opening. All right. Um, probably like Wednesday or something like that.
bro.
Like I hit you up. I hit you up like just hit me up like later. I'll hit you up later, something like that. All right. Peace out. I can hear you. Relax. I was talking on the phone.
I was just asking, like, are you looking for
Hold
higher
on.
prices?
I'm gonna tell you right now. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm just live streaming. So like,
I could just tell you.
all right. I did. All right. Let's go. So basically, I'm looking for higher prices, right? I mean, we're kind of in between. We're kind of in between because of if we would have definitely closed above here, right? Then I would have been looking for the price wants to be willing to close above here to go into here and to take this liquidity out. But because, right, we opened up here, we couldn't close above here, and we're dropping into another. I mean, it's a bullet fair value gap, but we're kind of like in no man's land right now. We're kind of like in between right now. Like it's not really like
We're like the Jets.
we're kind of in between. So far we dropped into the fair value gap, right? Like we remember the liquidity. We took out that liquidity, which was
Yeah.
Friday's low and halfway point of the wick. So honestly, maybe price will try to stay above this upper half court. You see the halfway push. If we decide that we want to stay bullish, right? We want to see price stay above this, right? And that's the opening right there. And yeah, just see how price. Like I'm not having like I'm not having like this. I mean, this is the liquidity I'm looking for right here. This is
Yeah,
essentially
that's
what I'm
that's the
looking
same
for.
thing I have too.
So you have relative equal highs, one, two, three,
Oh,
four. See price, because if this is to close above here, which is the daily fair value gap high right here, and it's already zooming up right now. So I don't know if it'll get an entry or not. But that's basically what I'm looking for right now to see if price wants to try to take these highs up. Yes, this is like relative equal highs right now.
I mean,
And
if
like I said,
price
the
could
first
like
thing we
close
do is we
below
wait
the
for the. You said what?
if price could close below the
Because plus on top of that, in the Asian session, right, price dropped a lot. Usually, sometimes in Asian session, right, price will do one thing and then it'll take out the liquidity from the Asia session. So we have these liquidities from the Asia session. That's just like right there. So there's news, right? Let's check
it looks
that.
like it's about to make a. Oh, 9:30 can't be in the candle, right? Yeah.
No, it should be after 9:30.
But that's all I was saying. I'm looking for price to like close below the relative the highs that was formed up there. Hold up, give me one second, dude.
Close above it. What are you talking? Like
No,
what?
close below. You see the top of the fair value. You see. Hold up, give me one second. Though, hold up, because I'm gonna share your live stream right now. Give me one second.
So I'm trying to. I can even find.
I gave you your first viewer, Dave.
And then right here, so also right here, if price closes underneath here, I'll just potentially look to maybe if price will take this low, there's a low down here. Right. Remember this right here, this is also the halfway point of a daily daily
Yeah,
fair
that's
value
what
gap.
I
This
have to.
also tied with another 5 minute fair value gap. That's where like they overlap with each other. So I'd be looking at the halfway point. If it goes underneath there, then I would potentially see price wants to maybe drop into here. But so far, yes, I'm looking at see price wants to come up into here.
When I
Especially if it
said
could close above here, then
that's what
I'm
I was
really gonna like it.
saying.
That's what I'm
That's
looking
what I was
for.
trying to say, but I was doing something. I was trying to send the live stream. Price is moving with some confidence. God, what did I just do? Mm.
Okay. Right here.
It's actually kind of difficult to have you and the chart up at the same time. Um, so a perfect scenario is if we close above that and make the first fair value gap.
Yeah, and price comes back down into it. I will take that trade. So at least I'll be comfortable with the trade. So that's all you want when you're trading. You just want to be comfortable with whatever trade you're taking. Yeah, this is definitely it. All right, I'm definitely gonna take this trade if price can drop down into here, man.
Do you put a limit order or a stop order?
I enter manually. I'm gonna enter one here. When the price gets into the fair value gap, I'm gonna enter another one. Just like that. All right, so we got our 2 units in.
Why would
Mm,
it didn't even let me put a stop,
Order
bruh.
submitted.
Paper trading sucks. I want the world.
So 244.
You entered twice.
Yeah, 'cause I wanted just to get in, so I put one half of it, and then once I got to my real thing, I just entered another one.
How much handles this would this be?
Like 60.
Okay. Let me see your stop. Hold up. You don't have to say anything. I'm just trying to see your stop.
It's a little wide of a stop, but I'm okay with that. I just want like one good push, and I'll take one off. Just one good push.
2K after.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just focus on this.
Ah, no, there's
There
a
we
lot
go.
of
Take
liquidity.
one out. There we go.
There's a lot of liquidity.
Beautiful. Ready to profit. Up for the day, just like that.
Bruh. Whatever.
And I really
Order
see price
canceled.
wants to get up into these highs, which I think we will.
I mean, these are
that was
fat
simple for you guys
candles.
to understand. It's simple, easy, nothing crazy.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty simple.
But god damn it, like I called him. I literally knew Josh was gonna over leverage, man. Like I was trying to, I knew it, man. But he blew the account. I mean, it happens. You know what I mean? It
He
happens to
blew
me.
it.
Yeah, he blew the account. I
I mean, at
remember my
least he
first
got it.
account. No, that's what I'm saying. No, that's progress. That's progress. Like my first account. You know what? You want to know how I blew? I'll never forget it. I remember it was the same thing. Like I tried to place like 10 contracts, right? And I put one contract by accident, and it was a winning trade. So then because of that, like my emotions played in. Then I completely over leveraged to try to get another winning trade, and then it snowballed into me blowing my account. So you know what I mean? Like I've been there, done that. Like it happens. You know what I mean? It's just
Hold up, Dave. She has a question. I mean, I'm assuming you would answer it.
just the question.
Hold up, she's typing me right now.
So to tell her to go on my YouTube channel and
She
type
is.
the
She's the
question.
only one watching you. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, you want to know? I'm telling you, I have the best. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna get taken now. I look
I mean, you
price.
moved your
Oh
stop up.
no,
Why don't you just move it below the?
because I don't want to. I'm messed up.
I mean, I closed out my trade by accident because it didn't even give me
Reason
a
I closed it because once I
Order
take
canceled.
profit,
oh
I'm not
drill
giving
down,
anything.
right?
I'm not giving anything back in the market. You got to be kidding. I'm being greedy. Yes, you got to be greedy to the market. Just like on the market is extreme. I mean, yeah, price could still go back here and go up again, but like for me, I'm greedy. Once I take profit, I am moving my
My
stop to
problem
break
here
even.
is I would have re-entered.
I'm not re-entering one bit. I'm done. I made my money for the day. Because if we flip this is disgusting. Like you see one candle straight down just like that. I mean, the next candle better be a big candle back up. You see, this is disgusting. Yeah, like you don't want to. Let me tell you shit. All right, when you see a market moving in one direction, right, you don't want to see this. This
I
you
know,
do
but
not want to see
these
that.
candles are they're pretty strong candles. Dave, can you explain like the explain it please? But can you explain? Hold on, let me
Like
read it.
what?
Wait, give me a second.
So now
Okay,
we flip this. So I'll be looking to see if price is willingness to close underneath
okay. Dave,
this
can you
wick right
explain like
here.
the candles?
So there's an open, high, low, and close.
No, and death, like you not in death, but like on the on the. Okay, he's gonna do it. Forget it. You have to forget
What's
about the
this?
colors. The colors don't matter.
Oh, this is my favorite show, Taisha.
Oh God.
Actually, I don't even know what this is.
And Dave, you see, this will be a great YouTube channel video explaining a winning trade
No,
and explaining the basics of the market. Title it as that.
no, but I'm telling you, I have one of the best live streams on the. It's not even close, Taisha. It's just that I just have no clout. That's the only thing. I have
Because
no clout.
you look like you're a scammer and you have to be diligent. Not
I
diligent.
don't Taisha, but I don't do it. I literally the only reason
I'm
why I
talking
only
about
do
for
it.
her right now.
Oh, honestly, the only reason why I even do live stream is just for the it's just for my journal. Like I go back and I watch it.
Now he's
So,
gonna explain it.
so this basically open, high, low, and close. That's basically it.
Dave, don't laugh at him. Don't laugh at him because you encourage that behavior. Don't laugh at that.
I mean, honestly, you would have you. It would be
Right.
better for you to watch somebody else to describe it than me because I already know it, so it's kind of hard for me to. It's like kind of like Michael Jordan. Like if Michael Jordan tried to describe how to
I
play,
don't know. I don't
come
know.
on, like if Michael
I don't.
Jordan described how to play his
I mean,
game, he
I
like
mean, I'm gonna explain to her again. Just give your
okay,
best
so
example.
basically, all right. So this is how the candle is, right? It doesn't necessarily what color, what matter. Like that's why I have this color, blue and purple, or whatever the case is. It doesn't necessarily matter what color the the candle is, right? It just you have to. It's like a language. It's basically you have to understand the language of it. So um when you have a candle, right? It starts. I mean, in the beginning, right? A lot of candles would be green and red to to discern which one is a high, which one is a what's the word? A
Buy,
bullish candle, right?
bullish and
Bullish
bearish.
candle means the candles go up, which means it's a buy, or a bearish candle, which means it's a sell, or the candles are going. So you see how price is going down right now? It's red. That means it's a bearish candle, right? And you discern it by right the open, right? So you go from so every candle on the left, right? I'm trying to describe it. You see, this is what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard for me to describe it
I mean, I
exactly.
understand what you mean. I mean, I
Yeah,
don't
it's
think
because you understand, like, for someone who doesn't know anything. So basically, the opening of the candle, it starts off usually on the top. Like if it's a bearish candle, right? The opening will start off right here. So I like let's just wait for the next candle so it could be a little bit more described. So then you have the opening, right? So if price drops from the opening, right? So we have if price drops from the opening, this is how you get a bearish candle, is because we opened here and price is moving away from the opening. Versus, right, if price opens, right? If we get another candle and it opens, right, and price starts to go up, we'll get a green candle because we're moving up from the opening. It's basically you have to understand what the opening is, right? So if it's a green candle, the opening is always at the bottom. If it's a red candle, right, the opening is always at the top. But you don't necessarily like they could all be the same color, and you could still know like you could still
it's a
understand everything.
pattern.
Yeah,
It's a
it's not necessarily about the color because if you look at this candle, right, and say if all of this was like red, right? Price is moving down, right? Even if
okay.
this was red as well, you would still know this is a bullish candle because of where we opened. We
You
opened
see
here,
that red
price is
candle?
up here, and we
Okay,
close. And the next candle we close, we open up here from the opening.
okay.
So
Do
like
you
right here,
see
you
this
see,
new? Yeah, you
this
see
is
that
the
new candle
opening,
right
right?
there?
We opened here, right? And we're moving
Yes.
up from the opening, which is starting to make this a bullish candle.
Bullish means buy, bearish means sell. You see?
Like what? I'll go into 13. I'll go into 15 seconds. So right here, you see, we open, right? This is the little, like, it opens off with a dash, right? Because it opens up from the close from the previous.
Yeah,
So
the
if we
last
close
price it
here,
was. Yes.
it'll open from where it closed. So we opened here, and guess what? We're moving up from the opening, which means it's a bullish candle. So let's wait for another one. 15,
I want to see
10,
the one shot.
9, 8, 7.
It looks like we're. Hold on, let me actually see what
Hold
prices
on,
are.
I'm gonna dictate them. You see, we open again, right? Open, right, and we drop we see away from the opening, which makes this a bearish candle. Which, like I said, it doesn't matter about the color. You have to just understand the ratio from the opening to where price is moving from the opening price. You see, we open, so now we open here, right? See the little opening, right? Now we're starting to move up, and then if we move down from the opening, and they see the bearish candle. We move up from the opening, and they see the bullish candle.
You get it?
She won't get it. Like you need to practice
I mean,
because you
she's not
remember what I was saying,
slow.
Taisha. I was gonna look for cells if we went underneath here, which is what this right here. And we didn't. I mean, so far we didn't have to. So like, say if I didn't take this trade right here, I wouldn't have been in the. I mean, honestly, this wouldn't have been too bad. We closed underneath here. You could actually sold into here. This wasn't actually that bad. You could have got like take some profit up here and maybe same thing. Hold on maybe one contract to see if we could get into down here.
You see, that's a trade I would not take.
This.
Like to sell, yeah. No, I would not take that.
Because you don't understand market structure. So now we're back into the first presented while back into here. Right now, if I would not buy unless honestly unless we're over it. Bear minimum, we have to be at least over this red value gap. And then safe side would probably be over this one right up here. I mean aggressive if you're really aggressive, as soon as we flip here you could buy.
No,
But
thank
that's
you.
that's the one I wouldn't do. That's the one. I mean, the reason I wouldn't do it is because I wouldn't know how we're gonna
And the
react to
only reason
this right
why I
here.
wouldn't take that
Because of
trade,
here.
because you see the lows at like
Yo, hold
7,
on, Loki.
50.
Let me see something. I'm close to a payout. But you see, I'm like almost $600 away. Then I can get a $3,000 payout.
Ew. Dave,
Nothing.
you're live to the people, Dave.
Ah,
You're live to the people.
I'm
God, you're live to the people.
stretching.
No one needs to
Yeah,
hear that.
I'm close to a
Like you
payout.
have her disgusted. Like that's disgusting, Dave. Up. Price looks like it's about oh, my thing gapped.
I told you once we flip it, like if you were really aggressive, you could have right here. So now we'd be looking for here. If we close above here, then I'd be really comfortable. I mean, like I wouldn't take a trade no more, but
Is that a fair value gap?
I'd be okay. Yeah, this is the fair value. You see, and look, did you see what the fair value gap high is literally identical to this previous high that I already had outlined. Do you see how the market all comes together into one? It's like one like big like
Mine is like that too. I'm just letting you know.
like but do you see
Yes, I see. It's all congruent. Yes.
this all spell congruent? It's all like linked
You spell
together.
congruent.
I didn't use that word.
I've, there's so many words you've used that you don't know how to spell right now.
Here, when I close above it, it sucks, man. I really wish we could have just went up here without having to take out liquidity. Blah, blah, blah,
I
blah.
mean, there's more.
We're gonna
Liquidity.
take this out. We're gonna take this out definitely. Right now we're just now we're waiting for this one. This is why I would want because now we could hit here, right? And then we could I would have taken profit here.
Oh yeah, I took my liquidity
So
too.
from here 28 to that's around like 17-ish handles, something like that.
I mean, where would your stop be?
That's why you couldn't really trade this because your stop wouldn't you wouldn't have like there's no entry here yet. The only entry if we create a fair value gap, price drops into here, then you could have your stop like underneath here. So
Oh,
then
I
you
have
could
a
have
better solution. I just don't trade with a stop.
like I said, I don't take losses at all. So yeah, you could have something
So
like
Price
this,
just
right?
took my liquidity and said no.
See, the more price drops, the better of an entry we can get. So this is it right there. This could actually be an entry. We'll try it out. We'll
Philip,
try it
I
out.
could just send you the link to the meeting.
No,
I think it would
no,
be
no,
useful.
no, no, no. Come on,
He's talking
Prince.
about the chart, not you. Text me your email.
So yeah, this could potentially be like a
Actually, not.
little like nice trade. But do you see? You don't need that much contracts. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's really no point of overlap, like, especially with Nasdaq. You can make a lot of money with the one contract with Nasdaq. I think I told you, like in 1 month, I only traded one, but not even two. Only one contract. I made over $1,000, which is one contract,
You're just a
and
hater.
it's the
Like some people
micro,
just don't
and
lose.
it's not even like the standard. It's just the micro contract. You can make a lot of money. Like you don't, like I'm telling you, like you don't need to trade with a lot to make a
They,
lot in trading.
some people just don't lose.
Trash. But yeah, but this is so far now we want to see if price wants to. I would not really want to see price drop down. We really dropped down enough. Like this manipulation right here was more than enough.
I'm gonna need you because for some reason I cannot place like a like a take profit or stop loss for some reason.
You have to drag it from the.
Since when?
It's always like that.
Oh, I thought I was able. I guess it was just limit orders or stop. I never know the difference, but whatever. And you don't have to.
No, like I said, what time is it? It's 9:50. I want to see a nice strong reaction. I want to see a nice strong reaction to the upside. So we're already closing away from it. Now we want to see some acceleration, right? This is how you know when you're on the right side. You want to see accelerate. You want to see time. You want to see speedily acceleration. You want to see price zoom. Just like me, it's just like me running a 4-year dash.
Oh
Basically, think of that.
God!
Think of that. Think of me running a. You see, if I was in a trade, you see, I'm just like talking. I would have taken profit up here, right up here, profit. If price could come back up in here, I'll
Bro,
take it down.
yeah, this is actually
Um,
aggravating.
come on.
That's an entry right there, right?
No, where the hell is your entry?
I mean, when it was inside, like right here.
This fair value gap is my entry.
No, I
No, no,
said,
no.
can this technically be an entry as well?
I mean, I guess. I mean, but like I said, what? So this is your entry. Like I said, your stop, in my opinion, has to be underneath here.
My stop was gonna be at that 5 minute fair value gap.
I'm not even. I don't even use. but I don't intend the 5 minutes. I don't know. But for me, this is the entry.
The first presented fair value gap. That's would have been my stop. Underneath that, that's what I meant to
That's
say.
yeah, that's what my stop because it also correlates because technically this is the fair value gap, right? That you would use in the theory pattern, but I might as well just have it underneath this. You know what I mean? That's why it's underneath this. So I could have it like up here, but like
Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. That was the fair value gap at 9:39.
what time
That
is it? All right, it's probably around 10. We should take it out. Honestly, like maybe like around 10 ish. If not, if we don't take it out before then. All right, so now we take out one, right? Easy again. All right, you see, I'm practicing right now, Tasha. I just took a trade and I'm still. See, this like a few trades I outlined. There's this one, and there's three different trades we could have taken as winners today. I mean, this is the best one, honestly. This trade right here. Even like I said, this one could have worked. I don't. I kind of sucks. We took out. We manipulated, but it is what it is.
it
That's
is
right.
what it is. Who said
It is
that?
what it is. I don't know.
Dave, I never lose, Dave.
All right, so we should be able to take it out soon.
Dave, look what I sent you.
All right. Instead, we should be like I said. Once we close above this level, we see our price. We're kind of respecting this level right here. So I'm just looking to see if we have any closure above here. So this is a 5 minute fair value gap. Buy. This is a fair
So
value
the
gap.
news usually won't manipulate something like this. Not manipulate, but like I guess I'll just see it myself.
What time is the news?
10.
So, there's something like, I mean, obviously at 10 there'll be some type of injection of volatility, but think of the whole day as volatile, like
No,
the
no, no,
whole
no, no.
day,
That's not what I was
right?
implying. I was just asking.
I
We'll
mean,
put.
it can. I don't know. Like, I mean, it can. I mean, it depends where we are. Like, I don't know. Like, nobody really knows 100% what happens before. I mean, obviously, you can have an idea. Like, nobody's like 100%. You're
No,
gonna
I was
know.
just saying, like if you took a trade before and like the
And
news
we took my
comes,
profit again. So that was it. Both. I took two nice trades.
you're a nice trade.
Actually, my goal is to get this account because I test a lot with this account. That's my account.
Like I'm trying to take profit, and it's like I can't even do that. And even if I try to sell to take profit, it won't. It just won't let me.
All right, so that was a
Okay.
little nice something right there. So this is actually really clean if you look at it. I mean, other than I mean, we came up here, we came down, manipulated people out of the trade. Where do we stop, Taysha? Halfway point of the daily. So it's like, yeah, right? It's literally the halfway point, and it's mixed with another five. So you could tell this is an extremely strong level. Extremely strong level. And then what do we do? We close above here, right? Above the halfway point of a wick, right? We
I'm guessing
close
you have this.
above here. And like I said, for me, what did I say, Tasha? For me to be confident, I want the price to close above here and here. And with one whole candle, create another fair value gap while closing. Like this is pretty much picture perfect right here. And then we shot up and took out the liquidity.
You're the liquidity.
So right now we're in a daily fair value gap. So yeah, I mean at 10 we could reject it. I mean there's a possibility at 10 if price comes and reject it. But at the same there's also a possibility that price uses that to shoot even higher. Which one I wait until 10 until to see what the market wants to do.
Yeah, I was gonna say wait till 10.
I would have been done alone. I would have closed up my computer. I
Someone
would
sent
have
me an
been done.
invite.
I mean, John, you got time for 2K, John?
Nah, I gotta go to work in an hour. I got no time.
Okay.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, sorry, but today's the only day I come in early. The rest of the week I should be fine.
No, that's valid.
Price just hit, what is that, a 15-minute? Yeah, the 15-minute gap I had on Friday.
No, we're not 5 minutes. Whatever you get for
Oh, well, I have mine as a 15. That doesn't matter. But
This
mine
is
is
a
a huge
15
gap.
minute fair
Yeah.
value gap. This is also a suspension block right here.
A what?
It's a suspension block,
You see?
aka it's called a sus block as well.
Oh God. Can you explain what that means?
Is when there's two gaps in between a candle.
Hold on, let me look at your chart.
If you look at the 15-minute, right? I mean, specifically the sus block actually is this candle right over here. Right? You see how there's like two gaps in between. It's like this is when there's a gap, and then the next candle there's a gap. So price is in between. This candle
Oh,
specifically
I see it.
is in between two gaps. That's called a suspension block.
Mine is just a full-on gap. What time is it?
We got
It's
2 more
10.
minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. I'll give
I
like a
mean,
few
price
minutes.
just
See if there's any reaction to
we're.
it.
I mean, we just touched the. It was a strong reaction to the 5-minute fair value.
This is the 5 minute fair value gap, and also this is the low of the daily fair value gap, and we're in the daily fair value gap. So there's two things right now. Like I said, either price could inject and make price have the strength to go above it, or we just straight up reject it,
You don't have the strength for any
or
goddamn
we
thing.
consolidate.
I mean, this price usually moved this heavily the week of non-farm payroll.
Yeah, especially like the one day that Mondays actually move is the week of non-farm payroll.
So you're gonna
You
trade
want
no
to know
matter
why?
what.
The reason why, I wouldn't, because of my rules, I wouldn't. But the reason why is because a lot of the times, right, the beginning of the
I'll
week
tell you.
is used like same thing, right? You know how I
I'll
said this
tell
is
you.
manipulation, right? They
That's
use the beginning of the week as manipulation for non-farm payroll, and non-farm payroll will literally do the fight, literally use that the manipulation or whatever happened in the beginning
Oh,
of the week as manipulation.
hey, do me a favor. You could have finished to eat, then talk to me, Dave. Like you could have like this is why you're like Cash Nasty like 2013, 2014.
No, sir, I
Eating that
definitely not
chicken
hype
nugget.
beast
I
back.
still remember that. That video was disgusting. And you know exactly what I'm talking about too.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see.
what, like,
I,
what,
So far, we get a little gap. We see prices moving a little bit.
yeah, that damn chicken nugget. Oh, look at my. I'm gonna look at my chart because you don't have what I have marked up here.
Listen, you see, I'm a specialist though. This
Mm,
area is my specialty.
spell it.
I'm a specialist because I worked on my specialist badges on the 9:30 session station.
Spell it.
I got up to gold 9
I don't
on the
know what the hell
specialist.
that means.
As you know what that means.
No, I don't. Is that
I
like
got
2K or COD?
I got up to gold 9
Is that
on
2K
my 9:30
COD?
specialization.
What does that
you
mean?
stick legs.
Is that gym like specialized periodization? Like what does that possibly
All
mean?
right, so there's a little imbalance right here. Right,
A
we want to
little.
see if price wants to retain its bullishness, right?
I mean,
So
we're in a fair value gap right now. Actually, a gap, and I'm
they
bound.
want a 5 minute fair value gap.
And
While
mine
there's a little, like I said, this is still not enough to prove to me that we want to go higher. This is not enough because price can do this and still like because right now the price is still like figuring itself out right now from the injection of the volatility right now. So price is still figuring. So we drop down, right? And we want to see. I want to see price is willing to close above here right now. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. I think it's untouched. Yeah, it hasn't been.
my chart does not look like your chart. It's actually starting to piss me off.
It doesn't have to look up my. Like, just make a chart
No,
that resonates
that's
with you.
that's not what I mean. So the fair value gap it is. I have the stupid Williams indicator in the bottom of my chart. I don't know why the hell it's still there.
The William percent indicator. That's my favorite indicator, mixed with the stochastics as well.
I
Like I
don't.
love. Actually, do you know what I love? I love Elliott wave station. Elliott wave is just it's my favorite one station.
I'm
But you
gonna.
know what?
I'm gonna. I'm
But
gonna.
you want to know what's my favorite pattern? Looking at the moon. Like, you know that's actually a pattern. Like there was a guy who came up with a pattern. There's like when a certain time when the moon comes up, that's when you have to take a certain trade or something like that.
I mean, hey,
I forgot how you call that. It's like moon.
monastics, moon pattern wave.
It's the moon in phases as a trading in the.
Wait, let me see. Wait.
It's just I know basically every like trading
Nuance.
strategy.
Oh,
You said what?
I thought you were gonna say nuances.
I mean with my at least with my stuff, yeah. I mean I know. I mean that's basically the game of trading, right? The game of trading is to get as many nuances as you can because these little nuances tweaks your strategy into like m- basically filtering out the good trades versus the bad trades. So and to get those nuances is just experience. That's basically what it is. You have to like
Price is just consolidating.
Nice.
putting in a lot of hours, right? It's like anything in life, you the only way you get those little nuances and stuff like that, you got to put in hours and hours of work in.
Is this a sus block or whatever it's called? Which is that's not a gap.
No,
I thought
it
it
has to have two
yeah, no, I thought it was a
top,
gap.
and then the see there's a gap. Yeah, there's one gap here, but you see there's
No,
no gap
because
here.
if it was to like be bearish, it would have been a gap because it opened with a gap.
Yeah, okay, so if it was, then yes, it would be. Then I'll look for one if I could.
I don't think I will use that, but thank you.
I
There's
use it
one.
as a
There's
gap.
one at 9:53.
But if it was like some tiny little one like this, then obviously it doesn't matter like that.
There's
But
one at 9:53. I mean, it's small
yeah, right now you see this is what you see. This is why I would not buy here. Right? Why, Thatcher? Why I would not buy here? Tell me why. Give me a reason, right? Give me
because
a
at least
reason.
in my chart, we hit like we can't get past this 5 minute
Other
preference
than the levels, why wouldn't you want to buy here?
because where the hell we were stopped be?
Yeah. Other than that as well, probably the most important, one of the most important factors. We're in a premium. We're in a deep premium relative to the range, right? The range is from here to here. This is our AM session range, right?
Hold
And
on,
we're
let me bring
looking,
the
right?
fib.
And we'll look, yes, the fib, yes, you can pull up the fib. And you like, I mean, you don't necessarily have to be at a 50%. If it's, you know what I mean? You don't necessarily have to. But if you're in a deep premium like this, right? What the first thing you want to see right before you really enter again, right before you want this, right? You want to see manipulation, right? You want to see, I mean, this is the kind of manipulation, right? Or you could wait for a deeper manipulation. So you want to wait for some type of low being taken out. And then after that, you want to see some type of flipping of a fair value
So
gap.
you
So
want
we
them
come here.
relative lows
I
to
would
be
want to see price take this out and then like say obviously like I would maybe you can use this right here, right? And you want to see price if it wants to flip it back up. And then you could be like, okay, then maybe I could enter again. But you never just want to like say, right, if I'm looking at this right here, right? I would be scared to enter. You see, even the price is coming down, right? Even though theoretically, right, this is like this is going into a bullish trend, right? I wouldn't buy here. Why? Because we're in a deep premium. I
we're
mean,
at,
not deep, deep, but
75%.
we're in a premium. I look to the range at 930, right? And I would want to see a price would want to take out. Maybe the price came down here, took out liquidity, and then flip, fair value gap, and then go ahead, and that's fine. Or even this right here. I mean, to the sense, right? At least we took liquidity out in a fair value gap. Maybe once the price would want to close above here, maybe. You know what I mean? Like, but that's the main reason why. It's because we're in a premium.
We're at 1% of the fib or one.
You have your fib upside down.
You do?
Yeah.
I thought you fixed it for me though.
Okay, but no, but you just have to change it. Like you can do this, right? If you do this, right? and just
Oh, it's at never mind. It's at
just like
0. It's at
yeah,
0.
just like actually flip it. All right, so now price is trying to close above here. Like this, now you can maybe start talking. Maybe you could probably enter. See, this is right. When price flips it like this is when I'll enter without a fair value gap. Like I don't need a fair value gap to enter right. I just price just has to close strong, right? And then you could do like a little something
I
like
mean, wouldn't that be a reversal fair value gap if you
an
enter on that one?
inversion. Yes, I mean
Oh.
this is actually no, it's not. It is because it's a bullet. I mean it inverted to invert it again. So you could do something like this, right? Trade like
Is that
this, and then you obviously you know what you do with trade like this? You take profit early. That's what you do. You take profit early, so at least if price does flip on you, right? Then
can you take a paper trade real
I
quick?
just I just did.
No, just do it again, just small, because like for some reason I cannot take profit.
I mean you have to at least have two contracts on
It makes me put 10.
and switch it.
Did you make sure it was a paper trade?
Yes, because I'm not logged in. I'm not logged into my active account.
All right, at
So
10, 10, I'm leaving.
because this is a trade, something like this, right? You wait if the price wants to come up here, you take profit off, right?
Oh, I have to press the units, bro. Okay, I see it. I have to change the contract again. Okay. That made sense. That was actually an idiotic question. Okay, I'm leaving off of that one. Fortnite, 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 Fortnite.
Right. So
What?
yeah, I
It's
mean, it's, I
first.
mean, it's basically with that shit, right? I should have like a course, right? You can't tell me I wouldn't have a mean course. You can't not tell me I would have a mean course.
You could actually make a good passive off that, honestly.
No,
Of
100%.
course.
I just don't like I said. I don't have an audience to be able to do that. But I definitely have the skill set to do it. That's the thing. I'm more than qualified to do it. I just don't have the audience. No, but you're right. I definitely could make it could be like a passive income.
Yeah, you could just uh try
I
to
could just
promote.
literally do what I'm doing right now. Be like, yo guys, I'm a live stream. I'm gonna be like, I'm not gonna tell you guys to do what to do. If you guys to take a trip on your own, that's on you. But I'm gonna just show you what I'm doing, and that's it. You know what I mean? That's exactly what I would do.
That.
Yeah, I mean, this is. I'm not gonna hold on. Let me just check some. I've been on like a really like good win streak. I just honestly, I really don't even care. Oh, this is such a good. Get 30% off for lifetime plus no activation plea plus 100% initial refunds. So if you
That's that.
pass, they give you the money back. So you basically pass for free.
Huh.
This is the account I'm trying to pass right now.
How many accounts can you have for this?
Five. Like I did have five, but then like I said, like I said, everybody made a mistake. I actually lost my accounts.
Uh,
So right now, I mean, I have one funded actually. Right, let's say I'm close to a payout. Then I have another that I'm trying to pass, which I'm doing pretty well on. I'm already up. It doesn't show yet, but I'm up like 2,000 right now.
oh damn. Nice.
Okay, let me just see something real quick. I'm just check. Look, I've been on a really long one streak. So this is the only day I took a loss in this account. So okay, so one, two. Okay, so well, I'm in a 12 trade win streak actually. Yeah.
12-1 right now.
13-1 actually, John.
13-1.
Actually, no, you're right. You're right. 12-1.
Nice.
Actually, yeah, this doesn't even count. Yes, I'm 12-1 right now.
Damn, yeah, you
So,
look like the Thunder out there.
John, I'm telling what you seen right now is rare, John. Like niggas, like this is not normal, bro. Niggas don't be doing. I'm telling you that niggas don't be doing shit like this, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Hmm.
Niggas don't be doing shit like this. I gotta give shout out to ITC. And that's a big shout out to him.
Shout out to ICT, man.
Niggas be saying his shit is cap, but his shit is not cap whatsoever. You know what I mean? You gotta put in the work. That's what it is. All the niggas that say that doesn't work, they just don't put in the work. That's really, and then after they compensate by saying, "Oh, it doesn't work." You know what I mean? Like that. That's their compensation.
Yeah, I see. All right, and the next day trading is Wednesday, is it?
Yeah. Let me just check to make sure myself. Yeah, it's Wednesday. We got 8:30, and then yeah, sorry, yeah, Wednesday, and then I'm done after Wednesday. But you see the beauty, man. Like don't rush it, man. Just let it come. They just this what I'm trying to tell Joshua. 'Cause I know Joshua, he over trades and he trades almost every single day, bro. Because like, if I traded every single day, John, I would have taken losses, bro. The reason why my shit looks like that is because I avoid the days when I know when I'm gonna take a loss. Like even in like in real time, it might seem counteractive I forgot what the word is, going against something that doesn't make sense, right? Like you not taking the trade every single day might seem like, oh my, I'm missing out, or what I'm doing, I'm doing, like, I should be taking more trades so I could be more up ahead. But by you not taking trades, right, you're gonna be more ahead in the long run. Why? It's because you're avoiding the days when you're not taking a loss. If I right, you see, I'm up maybe 800, maybe I'm only up 400 because I trade every single day, and I take four more losses that because I decided to trade. Now I'm down 400. You see what I'm trying to say? Like I only have 400 instead of just like avoiding the days when I know I'm going to take a loss.
I understand what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what it is. So
Oh, that's one of those obstacles, man.
yeah,
Hey,
it's all mental, bro. It's really all mental at that point.
yeah. That's the only way Joshua could learn is to keep his accounts by
Now,
making
first of all, he's
mistakes.
over leveraging. He's over leveraging while over trading, bro. I mean, that's like it's a combination to lose your account in a week. That's basically what it is.
Mm,
God damn. You
yeah.
have an airborne? Beautiful. Yeah, I just want to pull.
Alright, yo, I gotta go right now.
Yeah,
But
no, yeah,
I hit you up tonight then.
yeah, you got that.